Oh, that's it. I'm out. Out of rounds.
Yeah, yeah.
Three more rounds.
There's a big contingency of them running behind that glider.
Loading.
Yeah, I'm underneath it now. It's across the road to my
Back here.
southeast.
We got him.
Direction. I'll throw some grenades at it. I'm right next to you.
Pinged it. One down.
Never mind. That didn't work. There's also some basically 180 degrees from where that ping was, apparently.
That's the artillery on
Oh.
point.
Ironside. You see where my body is? Right down that
I'm
fence.
getting
They're
shot
back
at
there.
as well. I need to.
They're on your body, you said?
They're farther east. Is that east? Southeast.
Yeah, south-ish.
Yeah, south of us.
I got two from laying under this glider.
Our outpost is hot at Western.
Hey, CJ, watch out. They're coming up
There's a
behind
wheat
you.
field here.
Coming up from
They're
south
in
of
it.
Glider,
Got that.
or south of wherever your position is.
Yeah, I killed two while laying under this thing.
Oh yeah, they're right back behind us, man. Watch out on my ping. Crossing the road. He's dead.
It's another one. They're gonna nade me eventually.
Hey, do nodes have to be built on garrisons, like near them?
Negative.
No, no, no.
Just gonna
As
be
long as
within
they're
100 of
proper-
supplies. Just need the supplies, that's all.
And as long as they're ahead of the number 2 line of our, from our base.
Alright, I'm gonna go throw some down.
Oh shit, that was the wrong way to go.
Just killed one back there.
Yeah, there's a guy in the field.
Yeah,
running
that might have
right.
been the guy that was shooting at me. I'm getting shot at from somewhere down there.
Oh, I just got domed from the wheat field.
Alright, I got the guy that got you.
I got an OP or something. I got the OP on my position. OP dead
Infantry
on my position.
ping.
What we got?
Copy that, I'll be there in 2 seconds.
I'm gonna take care of that truck.
Perfect. When you set the fuse, just tell everyone to get away.
I know I played this game before.
Don't forget.
Satchel on truck. Satchel on truck. Satchel, run. Run like fucking hell. Satchel. Satchel on truck. Satchel.
We're gonna put this Gary near the church.
Oh, copy that.
just tell everybody. Okay.
Alright, we're gonna do it on the defensive side of church.
That was a
way
30-second
we got a
fuse.
little bit more room to play with.
Thing ought to blow. It's a 30-second fuse.
They've got a Gary or something over here.
Right. I am on your right flank.
Alright.
Oh, there's a dude directly outside the wall of the building you're in. outside the compound wall. He was
I
around the
get you.
corner to the left,
I get you.
very close to my feet. That's
Oh,
what
he
I'm
got
aiming
me.
at him.
Goddamn blue tag behind him.
He
That's what
blended
fucked
into
me
a
up. It's probably the
fucking
same
wall.
guy I killed.
Oh, I just missed the spawn on the OP. Fucker. Well, we do have a friendly running towards you. It's a medic.
Yeah, I know, it's two medics. I see one almost on me, but if you don't get shot by that guy. What sucks is I saw the dude, I went to go aim, and I saw the blue, and it made me hesitate. Thanks, man. Watch it. Watch it north. And if you got a bandage, that'd be great. Got him. Shit. Thank you, though. Alright, I got a bandage. It was the same guy. He killed my medic, but I got him after about 90 shots.
Just lobbed a grenade where the guy was that killed me.
Where's this guy? Is he dead?
Dead, I got him.
Fuck yeah. You're an animal.
Right, we've got dead guys up ahead.
Yeah. The other guy that came, I think he was angry. I think he was the guy that we just killed.
Oh, shots over here. Killing our guys.
Oh, I
from
see him
behind.
went left to right on your mark. Two of them at least. They gotta be
Going
coming
in
around that
through
barn. I don't know what squad they're running into.
Headshot one there.
Looking. I don't see the other one. But there was two. I might get across here. Keep an eye out. Just they're fucking around the cemetery. Might be.
Maybe. There may be an OP somewhere here, I don't know.
I'm gonna run through the cemetery. See what's up. This corner anyway.
Copy that. I'm going to run to these buildings and see if there's an OP here.
I just hit this corner. That's all I was concerned.
Yeah, someone just killed our commander up ahead. Behind my infantry marker further back.
I'm coming to you.
There's a supply truck on Alpha marker. I think they might be popping Gary or something over there. I don't know what they're doing.
Yeah, that's the supplies right there. I know by the time I run over them, I run into 40 of them.
I run over and take a peek.
I
Do
shot
you want a
it.
replacement Gary here?
What?
I was talking to the commander. I was asking if you wanted a replacement Gary here. Fucking tank round just went over my head.
Alright, that supply truck is leaving. I'm pretty sure you built a Gary behind that ridge. What the fuck? I just died. For no reason.
Okay.
Oh god, I didn't kill him. I did kill him.
Yeah,
That was a
I'm gonna
support
get
guy.
going here, guys.
What?
As I'm about to get going.
For where?
Like, be done for the evening.
Game ain't over yet,
I'm
man.
already?
You got 1 hour
I
left.
didn't have much time.
Didn't ask you. You made a commitment. Oh, oh, see, now I died because I was arguing with you. Your fault.
Yep, that'll happen. I'm the worst.
I still got you on recording the last time you fucking took off. Oh, the guy built a Gary right on my body.
Oh, it's you.
Yeah. Fuck that Gary.
Vehicle, tank on me.
Yeah, go this way. Nope. Shit. I think I went in the wrong way. Oh, it's a friendly tank.
Is it?
Who's shooting
I'm
at
getting
him?
shot at. Oh, enemy tank.
Enemy on me. Fuck! Got him. I'm bleeding now. I'm laying down the bandage.
There's enemy around this side as well.
Woo! This guy is right in front of me. Oh, guy behind us. Oh, I gotta reload. He's to my southwest. Oh my god. Reloading. Fuck. Yeah, he was right behind that wall.
Grenading. He's still alive somehow.
Yeah, he's still alive. He's gonna get me with a grenade. Watch. Got him.
Nice.
Did you grenade him too?
I grenaded him, yeah.
So your grenade chased him out. He's dead.
That's what I was hoping. Right, we need to move.
Yeah, which way? Pick a direction.
Let's go over this way. Open field. Open field. Got an enemy outpost marked on it, and that would match up with where the guy just came from that I saw. Because I killed him there. That's halfway between the two.
Oh, I see guys down here. Multiples.
Just killed a guy right in front of you, right here.
Yeah, I got more down here. Yeah, they're coming down that low area.
Looking this way, firing. He's firing at something over here. Yep, infantry there, and... Fucker jumped. He's down here as well.
Domed him. There's another one to the left of him. Oh, that guy on the left is dead. I killed the guy that was in the gap. There goes that
Good,
tank.
yeah, he's on the wall. He's this side of the wall, running right to the left. And there's another one in the field. I can see him fucking running around. But there's two guys there. They're flooding out of that wheat field. Yeah, two guys are headed towards you-ish.
Yeah, I see. Yep, OP right there. Reloading. Yeah, they're right on that gap. It's actually an OP.
Yeah, I marked it as an OP.
Yeah, the OP is exactly right there. Looks like our guys are flooding it. Are they getting wiped? Way up there.
Gonna be infantry down in front
They're all
of me here
spawning on the
somewhere.
OP.
Yeah, keep fucking killing them.
I think it got destroyed, or oh, I see it. Alright, reloading.
Shots in front of me here somewhere.
Fucker. Quit lagging.
Killed the guy. He was throwing a grenade.
Oh, there was a guy bandaging. Alright, reloading.
Might still be more down here. Be
Alright, here
careful.
comes the smoke. Oh, you got an MG fire on you?
It just sort of sprayed over the top. I don't think it was actually aimed at me.
Alright, so someone come in and toss smoke.
Guy right there.
I got a hedge between he and I.
Yeah, he's running right to left behind that hedge. I'm dead. Of course I am. Dead from my right.
Yeah, hopefully they think that you're the one that was killing everybody. shit. Got the guy. I gotta relocate. I think I got the guy that got you.
Or the guy that was to the right.
Yeah, he was moving. This guy was moving right to left. What? Got him. Yeah, they're all back in here.
Game's about to finish, yeah.
Alright, that wasn't too bad. Oh, my guy bleeds out that I just shot. Oh, he's still laying there. Come on, man, bleed out. Alright, let me get you.
Got you.
Alright, didn't do too bad.
29.
Points.
29 and 14, 2 commanders, 8 officers, 10 headshots.